welcome back. Today I'm back with another trade which I recently completed. I wanted to show this trade because I think it is important to know that you can also have passive income from stock markets. So let's see what this trade was, how I took it, how I pyramided in this, and why this is a passive income. Okay, why it can be a passive income for you. Okay, so the trade which I took was of Adani ports. It was in cash. So I first bought 5 shares on 16 December 20 at the price of 475 rupees. Now let's see on the chart. So this is the point at which I bought, okay, this 16 December 2020. Now I bought it at 475 rupees. Now I also have the trade book. Now you can see this is the Adani ports. First I bought one share at 475.35 at somewhere around 1 for 146, yeah, yes, 146. And afterwards at the end of the day, at 311 I bought more 4 shares, because now a lot many people ask me why you are buying so much less quantity of shares, right? The reason why I'm taking this share is because this is known as testing the waters. By buying this much amount of quantity, I'm testing if the strategy is working, if the stock is moving in the right direction, right? It is known as a testing the waters. Before jumping into any water, you should know what is the depth, if the water is cold, if the water is hot, right? So this is known as testing the waters. So I bought it at 475 rupees and my stop loss is 370. Now my whole buy price was 2375. Now it is not a big amount for a lot of people, right? Now afterwards on 22nd Jan, again I bought more 5 shares at the price of 535 rupees, and I have a stop loss of 478. Let's see on the chart. Now on 22nd Jan I bought more 5 shares. Now why 5? Because it was by following the risk management system, and it was the strategy which tells how much to buy, when to buy, right? You don't have to use anything, or you don't need to see any news or new channels. Okay, so I bought more at 22nd Jan at the price of 535 with a stop loss of 478. Now you can see that the first trade I bought at 475 and now the stop loss is at 478. This means that these 5 shares are in profit, right? Now this 5 shares are not in the profit right now, but these 5 shares are safe. Even if the stop loss is hit today, I'm going to make money on this and I'm going to lose money on this, right? Now afterwards on 1st March, it is after a couple of months, right? I bought more 2 shares, but now at the price of 692, right? So it is very high. Now a lot of people will say that you bought at 475, and most of the people will not buy at 692. Why? Because they think that it is so high. Now the next day it may crash down, right? So this is not how the system works, because it completely removes our human error and human emotions out of the trade. My stop loss is 540 rupees. Again the buy price is 1384. Now this is very low and everyone can do this, right? On 1st March again I bought at 689 somewhere, right? On 1st March I had this on this candle. Afterwards on 21 May I bought more 5 shares, but now at very high rate, which is 769, right? And the stop loss of 730. Now why I bought 5 shares? Because my stop loss was very small. That's why I bought more shares. Over here my stop loss was very big. That's why I was not able to buy more shares. So we don't need to figure out how much to buy. What is the strategy? Covers all the risk management, all the system, all it is a complete in itself. We don't need to use our emotions, or we don't need to use anything, right? So this is how I took the trade. The total value of the trades, now I have 17 shares I bought first share on 16 December and I bought last share at 21st May, and as of now I have 17 shares with me with a value of total value of 10,279 rupees. Okay, now my average buy price comes to 605 rupees. Okay, my average buy price comes to 605 rupees and my stop loss is 713. Now you can see that my average buy price is 605 and stop loss is 713, and it means that even if the stop loss is hit today due to anything, right, even the market crashes today, I'm going to make money, right, on every shares, because my stop loss is at 713 and my average price is 605. Now my buy value was 10279 10,279 rupees, and I sold those shares at the rate of 895. Now let me show you. Now I sold these shares at 890. Now how why I sold at this point? Because I've now you can see that this is a resistance, right? Now I was making money in the trade and I felt that I should now exit the trade, and that's why I exited somewhere around second candle when the resistance was acting like a resistance, right? It is very simple. Now everyone knows support and resistance. It is very simple, right? So I sold at somewhere around 895 rupees on 9 June 2021. Now the total sell value was 15215. It is 15,215 rupees, right? Now my buy value was 10,279 rupees and my sell value was 15,215. So it is 50% profit, approximately 50% profit. Now this is everything passive. I don't need to be on the screen or see the chart every day, like from the morning to the end of the markets, which is at 3:30, right? I just buy when the system tells me to buy. I just sell when the system tells me to sell, and that's the best strategy which I'm following for the couple of years right now. Now total time required is 6 months. I bought my first share at December and I sold everything on June somewhere, right? Yes, June. Now it is 6 to 7 months. Now isn't it great? 50% profit in 6 to 7 months. Now I'm not guaranteeing that you will get this much amount of profits. The profits are dependent on the market. If the market moves up quickly, you may make more money than this, or you may make less money than this, right? We are just following the system. Now this is not any software or anything which I'm talking about. This is the strategy. Okay, this is a simple strategy. You don't need to buy any software for this. You don't need to buy anything expensive. You don't need to buy anything. You just need to have your demat account and you just need to have a learning mindset, then that's all, right? So don't you think so? You Every working professional can do this. Anyone who don't have time to trade into stock markets actively, they can have this passive income with them, right? So yeah, that's it all in this trade. Now I am also right now in next trades. Right now it is halfway. I will let you know about those trades in the coming when I finish the trades, right? So I hope you got value from this video and you would consider learning the strategy and creating a passive income for you, right? So that's all in this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till that time, goodbye and happy trading.